Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an OpenSea account. In order to delete an OpenSea account, if you open up a web browser and get logged into OpenSea and simply go to your profile icon, you can see all of the other settings, but you won't be able to find an option to delete your OpenSea account. In order to delete your OpenSea account, you need to delete the wallet that is connected to it. For example, I've connected OpenSea with a metamask wallet. So in that case, you'll need to go ahead and delete your metamask wallet. If you completely want to delete your metamask wallet, then all you need to do is to simply uninstall metamask from your computer or your mobile device. Since metamask does not store any user data whatsoever, there is no account to delete. Soon after you do that, you won't have any wallet to link with OpenSea. So that means you can easily delete your metamask wallet or uninstall it from your system in order to delete your OpenSea account, since there is no way to delete your OpenSea wallet. Once you've deleted your metamask wallet as well, you can simply go to the upper right hand corner, click on the log out button, and you'll be logged out of your wallet. You can now simply delete or disable this OpenSea wallet account from your system or your mobile devices. How to download OpenSea application on PC. Open up a web browser to begin. As soon as you do that, go to the web address bar at the very top of the screen and type in www.bluestack.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of BlueStacks, which looks like this. Click on the download button in green in order to download this Android emulator on your PC, since you'll need an Android emulator in order to start off and download OpenSea application on your PC. Once the download has been completed, click on Open File and install BlueStacks 5 on your PC first. Once you've downloaded BlueStacks 5, click Open BlueStacks by clicking on the icon that looks like this and launch it on. Once you launch Open BlueStacks Android emulator, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Go to the Play Store button from the home page and give it a click. You'll need to enter your Google account's credential in order to open up Play Store. Make sure to enter your email address and your password correct in order to get to the next page. Now, you'll be able to open up Google Play on your PC. As you can see on the display, all of the applications that are available for your Android device will be available for your PC as well if you install an Android emulator. There are lots of Android emulators available. You can download any kind of an Android emulator in order to download this kind of an application. Go to the search box at the very top of the screen and type in OpenSea and press enter. The application will be displayed in the result that says OpenSea NFT Marketplace. Click the install button in green right next to the app in order to begin the downloading process. The download process might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Always be sure to be connected to a strong internet whenever you are downloading any kind of an application. OpenSea is an American online non-fungible token marketplace headquartered in New York City. It allows users to purchase, sell, and trade non-fungible tokens. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Click it on in order to launch your app open. That is how you can easily download and get OpenSea application on your PC. In order to operate the app, you'll need to open up your BlueStacks Android emulator and you'll be able to find the application in the home screen of BlueStacks. How to buy an NFT on OpenSea. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser and type in OpenSea.io and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your OpenSea account. One of the most prominent marketplaces for NFT is OpenSea. These tokens have a lot of benefits, such as excellent transferability and authenticity. Before you can enjoy any of these advantages, you must first purchase your NFTs. So in order to do that, first, make sure that you own a cryptocurrency wallet. Go ahead and sign up for Coinbase wallet or any other wallet, but make sure that you own a cryptocurrency wallet. Once you have a cryptocurrency wallet for yourself, in my case, I'm opening my Coinbase. Now, click on the buy or sell button at the upper right hand from your home page of Coinbase. Go ahead and choose Ethereum and press the preview buy button to confirm the order and finalize your purchase. Your Ethereum will be transferred in a few days. When that happens, you can go to your wallet account and copy the wallet address. Once you make a purchase and buy Ethereum, you can now buy NFT on OpenSea. Go to your OpenSea account and from the home page, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the wallet symbol. Once you click on wallet, the app now will prompt you to use one of your available wallets from the display. Click on any wallet that you'd like to go ahead with, and once you open up your wallet with OpenSea, OpenSea, click on the Explore button at the top right-hand corner, select an NFT that you'd like to purchase, and click on Buy Now. You may need to review several details about the purchase before finalizing your transaction. After everything looks good, proceed to check out by checking on this box over here and clicking on Confirm Checkout. But remember, you must need funds in your OpenSea account to do so. And finally, click on Confirm Checkout in order to complete your transfer. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to buy NFT on OpenSea. How to delete an NFT on OpenSea. Open up your OpenSea account by going ahead to a web browser and typing in OpenSea.io and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of OpenSea. Make sure that you log into your account. OpenSea allows you to create an NFT collection. If you've created a collection and you would like to get rid of them by deleting one of the NFTs that you've added, then follow the steps. Go ahead and click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner. This will bring up a pop-up menu. Click on My Collections and you'll end up in your NFT page. Click on your NFT that you'd like to edit or delete. Now all of the NFT collections that you own will be listed over here. Let me select one of the NFTs over here. This is where you can easily edit or sell your NFT. If you want to delete it from your collection, simply tap on the Edit button at the top right. Scroll all the way down and finally click on Delete Item at the lower right hand corner. Confirm your deletion by clicking on Delete Item. Once you make this change, simply refresh your screen and you'll be able to see that your NFT has been deleted on OpenSea. How to add NFT to OpenSea. In order to add NFT on your OpenSea, you'll need to first create an NFT. To do so, click open a web browser of your choice. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box at the very top of the screen and type in OpenSea.io and press enter. Make sure that you are logged into your OpenSea account in order to create or add an NFT. Once you're logged in, you should see a button that says Create at the upper right hand corner. Give it a click and now you can create a new item on this page. Select the image of your NFT by clicking on the image icon at the very top. Select an image for your NFT from your library. Once you do that, type in the name of your item in the first text box and then provide a detailed description of your item into the description box. Right under collection, select your collection type. You can customize your NFT further, add in properties, levels, stats, and even unlockable content. You can also select which blockchain you'd like to mint on your NFT. Finally, after filling in all of the information needed, click on the Create button at the bottom of the screen, and there you have created a new NFT. That way, you can add in a new NFT on your OpenSea account. How to sell NFT on OpenSea. If you want to sell your first NFT on OpenSea, then open up a web browser, go to OpenSea.io and press enter. Make sure that you log into your account. Once you are, mouse over to the profile icon in the upper right and click on Profile from the expanded menu. From your NFT collections, go ahead and select the NFT that you would like to sell. Give it a click and this will view your NFT on the screen. You'll be able to see a button that says Sell at the upper right hand corner. Click it on. Here, you can choose the price and the type of the sale. Enter the amount that you would like to sell into the text box and right where it says duration, you can set a duration for the sale. The default options are 1 day, 3 days, or 1 month, but you can also set a custom duration using the calendar provided beneath. Finally, click on Complete Listing. Then you'll be asked to confirm your sale by signing a transactions, follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be good to go. How to create NFT on OpenSea. How to download OpenSea on your iPhone. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top of the screen and type in OpenSea.io and search. Creating an NFT on OpenSea is quite easy. Once you open up OpenSea, this is how it looks like. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the Create button. This will take you to your NFT item creation page. This page will allow you to upload your NFT file by clicking on this picture over here and uploading one of the files from your library. Once you upload a picture, type in the name for your NFT file. Once you do that, head over to the next field. OpenSea will include a link to this URL on this item's detailed page so that the users can click to learn more about it. Right where it says description, you can go ahead and add a detailed description of your item. After you do that, go ahead and fill in rest of the information. You can customize your NFT further. It includes placing it in an existing collection. Select your collection by clicking on the drop down, or you can also add properties, levels, stats, or even unlockable content that can only be revealed by the owner itself. You can also select which blockchain you wish to mint your NFT on. Once you're done customizing your NFT, you can click on the Create button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create an NFT on OpenSea. Now let's get started. In order to download OpenSea on your iPhone, tap Open your App Store, but remember to be connected to an internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Go and tap on the search button at the top of the screen and type in OpenSea into the search box. Once you make a search, you should see an application displayed at the very top of the screen. This one's the app that we are looking for. Tap the Get button in order to begin your downloading process. OpenSea is an American online non-fungible token marketplace headquartered in New York City. Once the application gets downloaded on your iPhone, tap on the Open button to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download OpenSea, or also known as the largest NFT marketplace, on your iPhone. Tap on Allow button to enable notifications and get started with OpenSea. How to download OpenSea application on your Android device. In order to download OpenSea application on your Android, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are, tap Open Play Store. In the search box that appears at the very top where it says Search for Apps and Games, type in OpenSea and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. If you tap on the app, you should see further information about it. Tap on the Install button in order to download the application right away on your Android. It'll only take a couple of while depending upon your internet speed, so always be sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any kind of an application. OpenSea is a peer-to-peer marketplace for NFTs and crypto collectibles. You can buy, sell, auction, and discover CryptoKitties and so much more with the application installed in your mobile devices. Once the application is downloaded, wait until it installs on your Android, and that is how you can easily download the OpenSea NFT Marketplace application on your Android device. You should see an Open button popping up right beneath or right beside the app. Tap it on to launch the app open. How to log out of OpenSea on your Android device. In order to log out of your profile on OpenSea, tap Open your OpenSea app first, and once you are in your home page, if you are logged into your account, to log out, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the page. Your profile page will be displayed on the screen. Simply go to the upper right hand corner and you should see an exit kinda icon. Give it a tap, and in the pop-up, confirm if you'd like to log out of your account. Tap Log Out to do so, and there you have successfully logged out of a wallet on your OpenSea application. If you need to log in back again, select one of the wallet and connect with OpenSea. How to connect metamask with OpenSea. Signing up for OpenSea is done by connecting your metamask or any other cryptocurrency wallet. So make sure that you've downloaded OpenSea and metamask application both on your mobile devices. Once you have it, tap Open your OpenSea application from the app drawer. Soon after you open up the app, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on the Profile button at the bottom of the screen, and you'll be able to see a menu that says Connect with Wallet. Select one of the wallet providers to start off with OpenSea. In today's video, since we are connecting OpenSea with MetaMask, let's tap on MetaMask. If you're already logged into MetaMask application, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface that says if you want to connect to this site, tap on Connect, and that way you'll be able to connect MetaMask to OpenSea. How to log in to OpenSea app using your Android. In order to log into OpenSea, tap Open your OpenSea application from the app drawer. You'll be able to find yourself into the home page of OpenSea soon after you open it up. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom of the screen and you should be able to see this kind of an interface. You'll be prompted to connect to your wallet. Simply go ahead and select one of the options displayed. You can log into OpenSea with MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or by entering Ethereum address. Select any one choices and follow the on-screen prompts. Confirm in order to connect to to Ethereum with your particular wallet by tapping on Connect. And there you have logged in to OpenSea. Now you can go back to the OpenSea application on how to sign up for OpenSea. In order to sign up for OpenSea, first make sure you've downloaded the app on your Android or your iOS devices. Once you have it, tap it open. The first interface or the main homepage of OpenSea will look like this. Tap on the profile button at the bottom of the screen in order to end up in this page. In order to sign up with OpenSea, you need to connect one of the wallets over here and get started buying or selling NFTs on OpenSea. You can either use your metamask, Trust Wallet, or any other Ethereum address. In order to sign up for OpenSea, you'll need three things. First, your digital currency, a crypto wallet, and your OpenSea app. Select any wallet from the options. For example, let me tap on the Trust Wallet option. Soon after you do that, if your Trust Wallet application is signed in, then you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap the Connect button in order to connect one of your wallet and get started, and you'll be able to see that your wallet has been connected to OpenSea. Now go back to OpenSea app and you can see that your account will be shown as unnamed and your wallet address will be shown below. That is how you can easily sign up for OpenSea. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.